Unforgettable memories of the annual award ceremony of All Island Graded Examinations 2023. The chief guest was Dr. Shivani Rajula Ilangakon, head of the Department of English Language Teaching, University of Colombo. It was held in Nalanda Boys National College, Minuangoda. Victorious students were awarded in the annual award ceremony of All Island Graded Examinations English 2024 in the Arts Gallery of the Faculty of Arts, University of Colombo. The chief guest was Madam Kusuma Chandrasena, retired senior lecturer of English and Child Psychology, University of Colombo.